Hello student. Today we will revise the point of a sound, that is how it is created into the human vocal system, okay, and the propagation of a sound which we heard, okay. So there is definitions of the sound, or a source of a sound is the object due to which the sound is produced is called the source of that sound. So here takes vibrations of that objects which produce the sound. So vibration is very much necessary to the production of a sound. When these vibrations stop, the sound also stop. So how it creates or generate into the human body the sound, the source of sound is the acoustics. The science of resonance, including the production, propagation, and the effect of a sound, is called acoustics. So the acoustics contains the three elements, that is the production, propagation, and effect of a sound is called acoustics. The intensity of a sound is measured in the decibel unit. The vibrations of a vocal cord in our body is called as a larynx or a voice box. Also produces a sound. The voice box is located in our throat. The quality of the sound produces in the larynx depends upon the tautness of the vocal cord. Toughness of the vocal cord. Here is the picture of that vocal cord, human cord. Look at this cord, okay. Here is the main cord and the voice box is here, and the larynx are, which is called as a larynx. The voice box are a larynx, and the trachea is here, from which the winds are thrown out, okay. So this is the winds comes from the below, which is thrown onto this trachea. It is vibrate at the vocal cord and generate a sound, okay. So the propagation of sound is that the sound is said to be propagated when the sound waves spread in all directions from the source of a sound. The medium of propagation of a sound is the substance around which the sound waves spread is called as the medium of the propagations of a sound. Transmission of a sound occurs at the different speed through the different medium. The transmission of a sound is faster through the liquid than that of a gas, and the faster in the solid than that of a liquid. So this is the propagation of a sound. Here we also heard the sound that the propagations with the experiments, that is we take the two balloons, fill the air in one and the water in the other. The press the balloon filled with the air against your ear and shown in the picture. Rub a finger on the balloon and listen the sound. Repeat the same activity with the balloon filled with the water, through which the balloon do we hear the clear sound. The stand at the end of the table and make the friend to stand on the other side, and ask friend to knock the lightly on the table, through you will hear the faint sound. Now you press the ear at the table and ask friend to repeat the knock. What is the difference which we experience that the sound traveled from the air and through the water or through the solid which and they reaches to our ear. The sound is propagated more clearly through the liquid than the air, and it hurts most clearly in through the solid. So this is the propagation of sound. Okay. This is the propagation of sound.